What if Bitcoin isn't what you think? Is it freedom or the perfect system of control? No one knows who created it. No face, no identity, just a name, Satoshi Nakamoto. And yet, it changed the world. Bitcoin became a symbol of freedom, money without banks, without governments. But is it really that simple? Bitcoin is digital. You can't hold it. It isn't backed by gold or any country. Its value comes from belief. The more people trust it, the higher it goes. But there's something else. Every transaction is recorded, forever. It can be traced. So, is it really anonymous? And then there's the biggest mystery. Who is Satoshi Nakamoto? Some believe it's one person. Others say it could be a group. And there's a theory that it might have been created by government agencies as a tool to track money, to reshape the financial system. There's no proof, but there are no answers either. In 2026, Bitcoin passed $126,000. People rushed in, invested everything, and then it crashed. $70,000, $60,000, over 40% lost. The crypto market lost around $2 trillion in weeks. Panic, bankruptcies, people losing everything. And it keeps happening again and again. And here's something even more interesting. Satoshi is believed to hold around 1.1 million bitcoins, about 5% of all supply. And those coins have never moved. But what if they do? A sudden sell-off. Mass panic, a potential market collapse. Bitcoin has a limit, 21 million coins. It can't be printed like traditional money. But maybe that's not the real question anymore. The world is becoming more unstable. Conflicts, tension, uncertainty. And in moments like this, any asset can lose value. Stocks, crypto, everything. And all those numbers on the screen can turn into nothing more than numbers. So what is Bitcoin? Freedom? Or a system we don't fully understand? A revolution? Or the biggest financial experiment in history? What do you think? Scam or control?